The Bharatiya Janata Party returns to power in Delhi after a 27-year gap as it has emerged victorious in the assembly elections. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed party workers at BJP headquarters in New Delhi following the party's victory in the Delhi Assembly poll. Prime Minister said that development of Delhi will be a priority for the double-engine government.
After getting big mandate in Delhi Assembly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at BJP headquarters in Delhi on Saturday. The stage was all set, the party workers were eagerly waiting, and the moment PM arrived, he received a rousing welcome. PM thanked the people of Delhi for the historic mandate and said that the national capital is finally free of Abda. PM Modi said that there is excitement and relief in the minds of the people of Delhi.
आडंबर, अराजकता, अहंकार और दिल्ली पर छाई आपदा की हार हुई। आज दिल्ली की जनता ने साफ कर दिया है कि दिल्ली की असली मालिक सिर्फ और सिर्फ दिल्ली की जनता है, जिनको दिल्ली का मालिक होने का घमंड था, उनका सच से सामना हो भी गया।
The double-engine government in Delhi will work hard to fulfill the promises and lead the capital to development.
दिल्ली के लोगों का ये प्यार, ये विश्वास हम सभी पर एक कर्ज है। इसे अब दिल्ली की डबल इंजन सरकार दिल्ली का डबल तेजी से विकास करके चुकाएगी।
The youth born in the 21st century will now see BJP's good governance in Delhi for the first time. The historic mandate shows the trust in BJP's double-engine government. BJP has returned to power in the national capital after a 27-year wait with a historic mandate. Aam Aadmi Party managed to get 23 seats, while the Congress Party failed to open their account in Delhi for the third consecutive election. Anil Thomas report for DD India.
All right, Akshay Dongre, our correspondent, joins us from New Delhi. Akshay, good morning. Now, after the thumping and stupendous victory, all eyes will now be on government formation. What are you picking up on this?
Well, government formation, who will be the chief minister, how will the portfolios be distributed, who is going to head the health department, who is going to head the education department and other departments of the Delhi government. These are going to be the key issues that are being discussed even as we speak right now, Preeti, because ever since the Bharatiya Janata Party saw that they are marching towards victory, and ever since they crossed the halfway mark yesterday, the biggest question was that who will be the chief minister of Delhi, because the elections by the Bharatiya Janata Party were not fought behind a chief ministerial phase. There was no chief ministerial phase that was given by the BJP. And that is the reason why not even a single leader is openly stating or announcing their ambitions either, because the way the Bharatiya Janata Party has been working in the past several elections, be it the Maharashtra elections, the elections elsewhere as well in other states, we have seen that the party is contesting elections in the name of good governance, in the name of double engine government, and in the name of Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself. And that is why ground leaders or local leaders are openly talking about their ambitions, because historically, if we have seen, is that the Bharatiya Janata Party, when it comes to government formations or naming the chief minister, has been full of surprises, be it the kind of candidates that they will choose for the ministerial berths or the chief minister itself. That still remains a topic of discussion. We have tried speaking to the BJP leaders, and they are saying that whatever the party decides will be obeyed by all the party workers and all the party leaders. So there is a parliamentary committee of the Bharatiya Bharatiya Janata Party, they have this procedure of talking and discussing the names of the leaders of the probable candidates, and then the final approval obviously comes from the party chief. And also Prime Minister Narendra Modi's nod is usually given as far as these names are concerned. It is a topic under discussion. Home Minister has already held a meeting to discuss all of these matters. So a lot more needs to be done by the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have come to power after 27 years, and how they have a clear majority. So there is no question on how whether the government will be formed, but who will be forming the government? How will the government function? That is still a big question, and given the fact that Delhi is not a proper state in the sense of governance, clearly there has to be a government that will be working closely in sync with the central government to run it as one unit of of government of Delhi. So it all remains to be seen that how the government is going to function, because after about the ouster of the Congress party from the
Right.
central government, this for the first time there will be a same government in the center and the state. Back to you.
All right, Akshay, we leave it here. Thank you for joining in with those details.